Microsoft Excel 2013, the Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar provides access to commonly used commands such as save, undo, and redo. Command buttons can easily be added to the toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is located in the top upper left of your screen. And you'll notice that there's 3 buttons currently on the Quick Access Toolbar: Save, Undo, and Redo. But to the right of the Quick Access Toolbar is a drop-down menu, and this will provide you with some of the more popular buttons. Are you ever going to create a new workbook? Open an existing workbook. Maybe you want to go to Print Preview and Print. All these options are just a click away. Click once, the button is added to your Quick Access Toolbar. Check it again, and it will remove it from the Quick Access Toolbar. Additional command buttons can be added by just finding a command button on the ribbon and right-clicking on the command button. You can then add it to your Quick Access Toolbar. If you would like to remove a button from your Quick Access Toolbar, you can right-click on the button and choose from the option Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. Additional options are also found under the drop-down in More Commands. From here, you can search all the popular commands, or click on the drop-down and search all commands, which will be found alphabetically in the list. To add a button, just either single-click and hit the Add button, or double-click, and it will add it to your Quick Access Toolbar. To remove it, click once, hit the Remove button, or double-click. You can also change the order of the buttons by clicking on one of the buttons and using the up or down arrows. When you're finished, go ahead and hit the OK button. And that is the Quick Access Toolbar in Microsoft Excel 2013.